Bubble of Life by Tsukasa Yoshida. Tsukasa Yoshida is the youngest son of Toshi Yoshida and is currently the director of the Yoshida Hanga Academy, where he teaches the art of woodblock printing. The Yoshida family are well-known woodblock artists. Tsukasa's grandfather, Hiroshi Yoshida, was adopted into the Yoshida family and became the head of the family after the death of Kasaburo, Tsukasa's great-grandfather. The artistic lineage continues to grow, making Tsukasa the fourth generation of the Yoshida family artists. Bubble of Life is a woodblock print with colored ink. The process of producing woodblock prints are long and time-consuming, especially if they are polychromatic. This process starts with carving the image onto a block of wood. If there are multiple colors, there would be multiple blocks for the same image. After the carving is completed, the paint will be put on, followed by the sheet of paper. The paint will then be transferred to the sheet, and this process will be repeated until the image is completed. The alternative method is to carve the image on a block and make a monochromatic image, later hand painting the colors on. This woodblock print was created in 1990, during the time where Japan was trying to get out of their bubble economy. Japan has some global trades already established, but most of their domestic markets were closed for international trading, causing their economy to slowly degrade. In order to recover, they opened up their markets and started to urbanize. These events could have influenced this print, but what influenced Tsukasa's works the most was Zen, and the movement to contemporary art from the West. The family dynamics of the Yoshida, someone forced everyone to find their own style and individuality. There had only been a few exhibitions where the Yoshida artists, Hiroshi, Fujio, Hodaka, and Toshi, collaborated together. After that, they wanted to stay away from showing their works together in order to establish their own identity and not always be identified as Hiroshi's apprentices. Toshi's prints were influenced by the events and experiences through his traveling abroad. He focused on landscapes and animals in their natural habitats. Ayomi, Tsukasa's cousin born to Hodaka and Shizuko, explores the decorative side of prints, painting, and installations. Tsukasa, on the other hand, continues to make traditional prints influenced by Zen, making them spiritually insightful, humorous, and witty. Tsukasa has many skills that he has developed in order to become a great woodblock artist. Along with his talented family, the Yoshidas will continue to produce great art and keep their art alive through many generations to come.